Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products that make a real difference in your life. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to transform your feet. Dr. Frederick's original moisturizing heel socks for cracked heel treatment. If you've been dealing with dry, cracked heels and are tired of ineffective treatments, this product might just be what you need. Product overview. Dr. Frederick's moisturizing heel socks are designed to offer fast relief for dry and cracked heels. The socks come in a pack of 2 pairs and feature a unique gel lining that locks in moisture, promoting healing and hydration. The Toeless design combined with breathable, vented fabric ensures that your feet stay cool even with extended wear, making these socks a comfortable option for overnight use. Usage experience. One of the standout aspects of these heel socks is their simplicity. Just slide them on and let them work their magic while you go about your day or settle in for the night. I found them incredibly easy to use. No complicated routines or lengthy setup required. For the best results, it's recommended to soak your feet, apply a thick layer of lotion, and then wear the socks overnight for the first week. This routine noticeably improved the texture and appearance of my heels within just a few days. Performance. In terms of performance, these socks deliver as promised. The gel lining, packed with nourishing oils like jojoba and olive oil, helps retain moisture and creates an optimal environment for healing. I noticed a significant reduction in heel cracking and dryness after consistent use. They are particularly effective for overnight wear, making them a perfect addition to your bedtime routine. Pros and cons. There are plenty of pros with this product. It's comfortable, easy to use, and most importantly, effective. The Toeless design and breathable fabric ensure your feet don't overheat, even with overnight wear. However, one downside is that these socks aren't designed to be worn with shoes, which limits their use to home or bedtime. Additionally, while they work well, some users might find that they need to replace them after a few months of regular use due to the gel lining wearing down. Comparisons. When compared to similar products on the market, Dr. Frederick's original heel socks stand out due to their unique blend of essential oils and vitamins in the gel lining, which many other products lack. While other brands might offer similar moisturization, the comfort and breathability of Dr. Frederick's design give them an edge. Value for money. At a price point that's reasonable, especially considering the quality of the materials used, these heel socks offer great value. The fact that they can be washed and reused multiple times adds to their longevity, making them a cost-effective solution for dry heels. Build quality. The socks are made from durable, flexible fabric that fits a wide range of foot sizes. The quality of the materials, including the latex-free gel, reflects the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. However, frequent washing may slightly reduce the gel's effectiveness over time. User-friendliness. These socks are incredibly user-friendly. The open-toe design makes them easy to wear without feeling restrictive, and they don't slip off during the night, which is a common issue with other similar products. Customer support. Dr. Frederick's Original is known for its excellent customer support, offering a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If the product doesn't meet your expectations, they're committed to finding a solution that works for you. Real-world testing. I've put these socks through their paces in real-world scenarios, wearing them overnight, during downtime at home, and even while doing light household chores. The results? Noticeably softer, smoother heels with significantly fewer cracks. Final verdict. If you're struggling with cracked heels, I highly recommend giving Dr. Frederick's original moisturizing heel socks a try. They're effective, comfortable, and offer great value for the price. Just remember to use them consistently to see the best results. Target audience. This product is perfect for anyone dealing with dry, cracked heels. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or someone who just needs a bit of pampering. Call to action. If you're finding this review helpful, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon so you don't miss out on more great content. Your support helps us bring you the best product reviews. Longevity. With proper care, these socks should last several months, making them a reliable part of your foot care routine. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting a pair for yourself, you can find the link in the description box below. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, and if you've tried these socks, let us know your thoughts.